In a world where precision is paramount, the story of Optimec Systems begins. Discover how they revolutionized high-tech manufacturing with innovative software. Founded in 2020 by engineers Matthew Cleere and Ben Coldrick, Optimec Systems creates high-precision measuring devices. Their journey shows the power of seizing opportunities. The IS-830 product line by OSL is crucial for lens manufacturers. This cutting-edge technology takes ultra-fine measurements essential for quality and precision. Starting as a small team, Optimec Systems quickly recognized the need for robust production management software. Their journey emphasizes the importance of understanding specific needs. Choosing a cloud-based solution was intentional, especially during COVID's challenges. Remote collaboration paved the way for a seamless transition in their operations. Matthew Cleere focused on stock control, BOM management, and subcontracting as crucial functionalities. These features ensure smooth operations in a complex manufacturing environment. The search led to MRPeasy, a system that promised ease of use and scalability. Its intuitive design emerged as a favorite among the small yet dynamic team. Implementing MRPeasy proved straightforward, allowing for remote setup during low production volumes. The team quickly adapted, showing the system's user-friendly nature. With powerful stock management and seamless BOM functionality, MRPeasy transformed their operations. The flexibility it provides helps maintain control over complex components. As OSL continues to thrive, Matthew emphasizes understanding software needs for other SMEs. It's all about building a strategy that empowers success through effective training.